put off by this bunker hardware. Whoa! These gears have been tough getting used to, but they do come in mighty handy from time to time. Here, now, have a taste of my famous Bonzabeast Stew.
Ooh, I can cook that. It's not every day I get to travel across the galaxy on the hunt for a good recipe. We'll start by melting butter until frothy, and then saute up a trinity of onions, green peppers, and celery. When the onions are just starting to soften, we can toss in minced garlic and tomato paste to build up the base of our stew. Once the tomato paste has been mixed in and the garlic is fragrant, grab a couple space potatoes and sausage from the southern quadrant. Chop them up and then stir until the potatoes are mixed in and softening around the edges. Then season the contents of the pot with powdered celery and a blend of Alponian spices with extra solaris seed. Give it a good stir to evenly distribute the spices. Next, we'll sprinkle flour over everything in the pot and make sure everything is generously coated before pouring in the broth and bringing it all to a rolling simmer. Once bubbling, we can add in our huge galaxy prawn that have been snipped down the middle. Press the prawns into the stew so they begin cooking through. Finally, we can add in a couple raw eggs like it's a space shakshuka. Pop the lid onto the pot and let it simmer until the egg whites are cooked and the yolks are just starting to set. Stirring the eggs into the stew will give the broth an extra creamy base and help pull it all together. And don't forget, this is an old family recipe after all. The secret ingredient is a bit of the old family. Captain Silver's Bonzabeast Stew is delightfully tangy yet robust, with a complex and hearty blend of savory and spicy flavors, with just a hint of cannon smoke. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.